What up, guys? What's going on, YouTube? What is happening? Oh, gorgeous day here in Northeast Ohio. And just heading down to meet some other guys to go riding with. And I figured I'd bring you guys along with it today for the video. Nice little ride here. We are actually going to head down to the location of my crash on my ZX10R in 2014. So I wanted to bring you guys along and kind of show you the area, show you the corner a little better, because I never really did a video on that. Show you the kind of the steepness of the hill. I want to kind of give you guys just a little, because I don't think the camera does it 100% justice about the kind of severity of the corner. Last time we were there, they had the same gravel problem to that same corner. It's just a bad area because there's like 4 different crosses that you can make, and there's a lot of gravel along the side. So when people cut the corner a little bit, it shoots gravel into the road, which is what makes the corner so dangerous for motorcyclists. I'm not going to make excuses for what happened. I think I've learned from it, tried to appreciate the severity in which and the quickness in which things can go south. With that being said, guys, I'll talk to you guys here in a second. Alright, guys, the group has finally assembled. We got Ninja Doc, Whaler, my bike, Mike's bike, Ricer1, Whaler's brother, Gasser's bike, Tony T Papa, Midget Todd, and Casper.
Take off slowly.
Gloves in there.
If it's too slow for them, they're gonna probably take off.
We're going down 83 together, but we're gonna go west on 78. They're gonna go east. Alrighty, so we got T Papa leading the group. Then we got Ninja Doc, DP Gasser, Midget Todd, myself. Right behind me is Casper, followed by the group that I came with of Whaler, Corey, Ricer1, and Mike. Nice little picture of the river.
Say what?
Say what?
Say what?
Say what?
What? Why you always gotta be hating, right, motherfucker? This is definitely a one-way only.
I fucked that all up.
Yeah, you did. You almost got us killed and everything. Leave it to your brother to almost get us annihilated. Alright, just leaving lunch. We had lunch at the Pigskin, and it was phenomenal. This fucking road blows though. Alright, we are on 56, which is the road that I actually had my accident on. So we are heading towards the crash site now. Alright, YouTube, here we are at the crash site. I was coming from this direction here, taking this corner over that hill that way. I'll show you guys. I was going to get hit by a car. Even 2 years later. I mean, gravel throughout the entire corner. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. Hopefully the camera picks it up.
but it was way worse. And then as I came up over this hill, sorry about the shaky camera, I just have it on my neck. Focus here. So I pretty much came right this way, lost control at this point, and came up over here, and this is pretty much close to where I went off. Try to give you guys a perspective of how far it is. I don't know if you could tell, but I landed down there with the bike. See if I can move over a little bit. See if I can get down without hurting myself. You can pretty much get a better view of how high it is. I mean, here's the ground, all the way up there. And Ray, who also crashed, he crashed right down here by this tree. He either hit this set of trees or that set of trees. But that's kind of what happens, I suppose. There the bikes are. For us visiting.
Not quite sure if I got the shot on that one or not. They were a little closer than I anticipated. Alright, Corey's getting a little more aggressive, so things might take a little bit of a turn for the better for him, hopefully. He was couldn't really get comfortable since getting back on the bike, he said, because he hasn't rode very much, so I think he's finally starting to break the cobwebs free, starting to get into that good body position and twisting that throttle through the corners. You see the cop behind us, right?
Yeah, I see him.
Okay. Let Brian know. What'd she say?
I like how you have to smack your turn signal to get it to work.
Hey, another successful day of riding, another successful video for you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the content. But as always, guys, thank you for the love and support that you guys always show the channel. If you like the video, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. It really means a lot to know that I've got people who watch my videos and they enjoy my content and they subscribe. And as always, guys, don't forget to come back for the next video. Tuesdays, Saturdays, guys. You know that. 3 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Keep that rubber side down, guys. As always, be safe. And until the next video, we'll catch you guys later. Bye.